Alright, let's do some Mathity-Math. This is going to be a two-part video. The first video, we're going to talk about how to find the mean and standard deviation using your graphing display calculator. And then in the second video, we're going to jump into how to draw a box and whisker plot. Okay, so let's do part A first. And it says here, let's read the question, I guess. So Ricky the Rabbit, or Ricky Rabbit, is interviewing his classmates to see how many carrots they ate yesterday. The results are shown in the table below. So here's the boy rabbits, and here's the girl rabbits. Okay, so what we're going to tackle right here is how to find the mean and standard deviation for the boys and the mean and standard deviation for the girls, and then describe the data distribution in your own words. Okay, so what we want to do by using our calculator here is we want to enter in this data in two different tables. So I'll do the first one in my list 1, and I'll do the girl rabbits in list 2. So first, because we're going to be entering data into a list, and you might have already had data in, I do think it's a good first step to go to Stat, go to Clear List, and so I'm going to be using list 1 and 2, so I hit second 1, gives me L1, comma, second 2, which gives me L2. This is just going to clear out all the data that I was using before in list 1 and list 2. Hit enter, and it's done. All right, so now I'm going to hit Stat again, and I'm going to edit. So list 1, I'm just going to put in the boys' data. And the boys' data is 1, 2, 4, 30. Wow, someone ate a lot of carrots. 6, none. Okay. 3, 1, 22, 11, 9, and 6. Okay, that is my first list. That's the boys' list. Now I'm going to go to L2 for the girls' list. Okay, and that's going to be right here. So we just say 2, 0, 24, 21, 0, 5, 0, 11, 28, 7, 3, and 1. And there we go. Those are our two lists. And so we're going to do the boys first. Okay, so the boys, the mean. And I guess we'll do the standard deviation next. Okay, so we're going to do the mean. And the way we do the mean is all you got to do is hit Stat, Calculate, and we're going to do one variable, Statistics. We remember that we did L1 for the boys, so I just put in L1 and hit Enter, and then voila, all this amazing information. So the mean is just this X with the line on top. So we'll go to the the thousandth place, or 3 sig figs, yeah, 7.92. 3 sig figs, okay? So our mean is 7.92. And now we got to find the standard deviation. Okay, and so this calculator actually gives us two standard deviations. This one up here and this one down here. The SX, that is actually saying the standard deviation of a sample. And then you're taking that sample, and we're using that sample to reflect the whole population because we don't know the whole population. That's actually not what we're going to use. We're actually going to use the next one. And what this one is saying is the standard deviation when we know the whole story or the whole population. And we know we have all the information here, so we have the whole thing. Okay? So this standard deviation we would write it as, again, we'll go to 3 sig figs, 8.84. Okay, so that is the boys' mean and standard deviation. And we actually follow the same process for the girl rabbits. Okay, so for the girl rabbits, I'll go ahead and lay my stuff out here. Okay, and so for the girl rabbits, and that looks a lot like a 6. I need to be careful, huh? I guess that's a bit better. Okay. Let's do the girl rabbits. So, okay, I'll second quit. Again, we hit Stat, Calculate, one variable, Statistics, but this time we're going to do list number 2. So second 2 for list number 2, and we hit Enter. Here we go. The girls' average is 8.5. And the girls' standard deviation is 9.76. Okay. And there you go. You have now found the mean and you have found the standard deviation for the boy rabbits and the girl rabbits. Now, what I want to encourage you guys to do now is this next part where it says describe the data distribution in your own words. Okay, I'm not going to write this all out. But if you were going to describe this, what you could say is, well, the girls ate slightly more carrots every day than the boys, and the girls' data was a bit more spread out than the boys, because the standard deviation talks about the spread of data away from the mean, and you can see that their standard deviation is a bit higher. So the girls eat more carrots, but the data is also more spread out. The boys eat less carrots, and their data is a little more concentrated around the mean than the girls, and that's just how you could describe the data. Okay, the next video I will tackle how to draw the box and whisker plot for the boys and the girls on the same diagram. So go ahead and go there next if you want to see how to do that. If not, go ahead and subscribe to be notified when I make more practice problems just for you. And if there's something you want to see or something you need to practice, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to make it for you. Thank you. Bye.